Hey guys, we are buying Nifty at the market and this could be a swing trade, so going till tomorrow. So let's see what happens. The targets, since there is a news on this script tomorrow, so I would be sending you the message about the targets. Most probably it's definitely more than 1:2, 1:3, 1:4. That's what we are looking for. Somewhere around this area or this area, we would be booking the profits. So let's see what happens and I'll be updating you on this one as we go along. Guys, we have a little bit of structure change in the market, so we have to re-analyze our trade, and since we are already in the trade, so we would be actually taking it intraday, not positional, because the reason we took the trade for positional got invalidated. So we are actually taking this target in the mind, but still we'll get anything, whatever we get from intraday. Guys, we are taking the trade off at the market because, as you already know, the market structure got changed. So I don't want to keep the trade which is not valid, and keeping it tomorrow is really dangerous. So we don't want to take that risk. We're taking out of the trade and we'll find another trade again tomorrow. That's not a problem at all. So I'll see you again once I find any other good trade. Thank you so much.